Standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 3 of rational numbers as decimals. Now coming to the question number 5, it is evaluate the following. Means here addition subtraction together it is given, so we have to find the value. Evaluate means find the value. So addition, so first we have to do this, underline. It is just like the simplification topic. Remember in 6th standard we have done, even in the 5th also we had, isn't it? So both are 2 decimals, so 5 plus 9, 14, 1 plus 7, 8, 5 plus 2, 7, then 2. See, it is easy for this type of sum, isn't it? So horizontal addition subtraction you have to be confident. That's why I told in the earlier sums you practice that. Now minus 13.6. Now it is 2 decimal, here 1 decimal, so put extra. Now solve this. Demas rule, BODMAS. Remember 4 minus 0, 4, 8 minus 6, 2. Now 7 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 1. Answer is 14.24. Now it is 37 minus 16.58 plus 12.25. So first rearrange 37 plus, you bring this side, but this is 2 decimal, so 37.00 plus 12.25 minus 16.58. We have to rearrange, then add. So it is 25, so 25, 7 plus 2, 9, 3 plus 1, 4, minus 16.58. 5, 15 minus 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, so 7. Now 11 minus 5, it is 6. Now 8 is there, 8 minus 6 is 2. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. Answer is 32.67. Now rearrange, it is 42.7. Bring this first, so it is 1 decimal, so put extra, plus 2.16 minus, so this has to be done first. Now negative ones has to be done together, so 11.3 decimal, that is why 3 zeros minus 9.025. इंटीजर लेसन में देखे हैं, पॉजिटिव वंस पहले करो एक साथ, नेगेटिव वंस को एक साथ, है ना. सो 0 प्लस 6, 6, 7 प्लस 1, 8, 2 प्लस 2, 4 and 4, minus, both are negative, so add 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 1, 2. Now 3 decimal, here 2 decimal, that is why take extra. Now this is bigger than this, so 0 means 10 minus 5, 5, 5 minus 2, 3. Now 8 minus 0, 8, 4 minus 0, 4, 4 minus 2, 2. Answer is 24.835. Now it's given in the bracket already, so solve this. 0 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. It is okay, here it is not there, 2 digits, so we'll rearrange first. 6.05 plus 5.01 minus 12.50 minus 0.09. 0 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 5, 11, minus, now it is subtraction, so 10 minus 9, 1, 4 is remaining, point, now it is here 2 minus 0, 2, 1. But now you see, this is smaller than the negative one. So, we have to subtract the, now the integer का वो याद रखने का. So, minus, now we have to subtract 11.06 from 12.41. So, 11 minus 6 is 5. इधर बचा 3. 12 minus 11 is 1. So, the answer is minus 1.35. याद रखो, नेगेटिव 1 बड़ा है तो उसको पहले लेने का है ना. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. नाउ rearrange 182.30 plus 12.65 है ना. डेसिमल प्लेस इक्वलाइज करो लाइक डेसिमल्स. minus 10.71. So it will be 5, 9, 4, 9, 1 माइनस, दोनों माइनस है तो आप लोग ऐड करो. इट इज माइनस 3 प्लस 1 4, 2 plus 7 9, then 0, then 1. Now this is bigger, positive 1. Okay, directly subtraction. 5 minus 4 1, 9 minus 9 0, 4 minus 0 4, 9 minus 1 8, 1. Answer is 184.01. Okay, so that was question number 5. We have finished all the 5 sums. Evaluate. Now coming to the question number 6. Simplify and express the result as a rational number in the lowest term. So we have to simplify and then write in the rational form, that is p by q. So here some are rational numbers and some are decimals. So first remember the division, DeMaas rule. Division we have to do first. So on the right side 6.25 divided by 0.25. Already we have done in the earlier sums how it has to be done. 625 upon 25. Remember 25 ones are 25, 25s are 625. So the answer is 25. So 1 by 2, 1 by 5 and then 25. 25 means 25 by 1. Now take the LCM. 2 5s are 10. So 1 numerator is 1. 1 into 2 5s are plus 1 into 5 2s are 25 into 1 tens. याद आ गया है ना? सेकेंड लेसन, operations on rational numbers. Now it will be 5 ones are 5, 1 twos are 2, 25 into 10, 250 upon 10. Now add 5 to 0, 7, 5 and 2 upon 10. So the rational number P by Q in the lowest form. So this cannot be simplified. So this is the lowest form. Now coming to the next, it is first multiplication, isn't it? So 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4. See, why we have to do multiplication? Because bracket, BODMAS rule, bracket first then division. So 27 into 81, 1 7s are 7, 2, 8 7s are 56, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 7, 8, 1, 2. You got plus 2187, but it is 2 decimal, 1, 2 divided by 0.09. This one समझ में आ गए? तो ये ऐसे ही रहेगा, इधर प्लस, पहले ब्रैकेट के अंदर के मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो, फिर डिवाइड बाय 0.09. अभी इसको आप लोग सॉल्व करने का है. सो राइट साइड में सब ये सॉल्व करो, फिर आंसर लिखो. मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100, multiplied by 100, so you got 2187 upon 9. The 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 19, 20, 21, so 3, 38, 9 fours are 36, 37, 38, 2 remains, 9 threes are 27. So answer is 243. You got 243. That means 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4 plus 243. So 243 means 243 by 1. लेकिन ये प्लस को पहले लेने का, 2 by 5 plus 243 upon 1 minus 1 by 4. Now 5 fours are 20 is the LCM. 2 into 5 fours are 240 into 120 is 1 into 4 5s. तो इसके लिए अभी आया कितना? It is 4 twos are 8, 2 zeros, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, minus 5 ones are 5 upon 20. Now add, it will be 4, 8, sorry, 243, 243. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So it will be 8 6 4 8 6 8 minus 5 upon 20. So the final answer is 4863. 3 upon 20. This is the final answer. 4863 upon 20. Still it cannot be simplified. This is the lowest term. Now coming to the third sum. First we have to underline this bracket. So 1.44 into 144 divided by 12 means 12 how much is 144? You know, 12. 12 is 144. 0.225 plus 3.276. Now multiply 12 fours are 48, 12 fours are 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 12 ones are 12 plus 5, 17 minus 0.225 plus 3.276. Now rearrange. ये पहले आने का है लेकिन 3 डेसिमल, सो 280 प्लस 3.276 माइनस 0.225 अंडरलाइन एडिशन. So 0 plus 6, 6, 8 plus 7, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17 plus 3 is 20 minus 0.225. Underline. Now ordinary subtraction. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. Then it is 20 minus 0, 20. So इतना मिला. But it is in the decimal. डेसिमल को कैसे कन्वर्ट करने का है? 2331 अपॉन 3 डेसिमल. इसके लिए 1000. This is the final. This cannot be simplified. This is the lowest form. Understood? Remember to convert into the P by Q form. Now coming to the fourth sum. It is a 1 by 7 into 0.049. First you have to multiply. So 1 by 7, 0.049, 7 ones are 0, 0, 0. Isn't it 4 because it is small? So 4, 9, that is 7. So answer is 0.007. So you got 0.007 plus 3 by 8 minus 7 by 20. Okay. Now these are fractions. This is in the decimal. So this also convert into the fractional form. 7 by 3 decimal है तो divide by 1000 plus 3 by 8 minus 7 by 20. So what is the LCM? 1000. Isn't it? 8 का टेबल में भी है. 8 125 20. It is a 50 है ना. So 7 into 1000 है, इसके लिए 1 plus 3 into 8 125 minus 7 into 20 how much 1000. कैसे करने का? 1000 upon 20. 2 1s 50s. So it will be 50s. Okay. So you got 7 1s 7. 3 5s 25, 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 1s are 3 minus 7 5s are 35 and 0 upon 1000. So now it will be, when you add 7 plus 5, 12, 1 8, 3 minus 350 upon 1000. So you got 2 minus 0, 2, 8 minus 5, 3, 3 minus 3, 0 upon 1000. भी 8 का टेबल में 8 4s are 32, 8 125s are 1000, isn't it? So the final answer 4 by 125. थोड़ा ये सम्स में प्रैक्टिस चाहिए, दो बार इसको सॉल्व करो, देन इट विल बी इजी. ओके, लिटिल बिट टफ टॉपिक. Now coming to the fifth sum, multiplication is there, underline. So you know 16 5s are, it is 80. So 2 decimal, it will be 0.80 minus 0.52 plus 8.263. So rearrange. 0.80, 3 decimal है तो extra 0, bring 8.263 minus 0.520. तो स्टार्टिंग में ये सब लाइक डेसिमल्स करेंगे तो बेटर. नाउ यू ऐड दीज टू. 0 plus 3 3, 0 plus 6 6, 8 plus 2 10, 1 plus 8 9 minus 0.520. Subtract 3 minus 0 3, 6 minus 2 4, then 10 minus 5 5, and here 8 will remain. भी डेसिमल में आया है तो कन्वर्ट इनटू द P by Q form. 3 decimal, that is why divide by 1000. Now coming to the last sum, तीनों multiplication. So 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. Is there any cancellation? Yes, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So you got 1 3s are 3, 2 5s are 10. So you got here 3 by 10 plus 1 by 25 into 1 by 2. Cancellation is not there, so it is 1 by 50 minus 2 by 10 and 1 by 5. Here cancellation is there, 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 5 5s are 25. So 1 by 25. Now what is the LCM? सबसे बड़ा नंबर 50, 10 5s are, 25 2s are. So 3 into 10 5s are 50, 1 into 50 1s are 50. Now 1 into 25 2s are 50. So it will be 3 5s are 15 plus 1, this is minus 1 2s are 2 upon 50. It is 16 minus 2 upon 50, that is 14 upon 50. 2 का टेबल में 2 7s are, 2 25s are. So the final answer is 7 by 25. Is it okay? So we have completed the lesson. So question number 6, 5 and 6 are little bit confusing. So better solve the sums 2 or 3 times so that you are confident of the topic. Okay. So this includes all the topics like a fraction and a decimal, what we have learnt in a 5th standard, simplification of the fraction and the decimal, okay, and the DEMAS rule. So we have completed the lesson rational numbers as decimals. Hope all students are confident with the topics, all the topics, isn't it? Bye. Thank you. All the best.